All right, we're going to get started today with this property. We do this large pasture area right here and back down this lane. That's one part of the cut. Then the other part is up here at the house. You've seen the house before, and way back you've seen the pasture. So I'm going to go ahead and start on the pasture part to begin with today, but it's a full cut today. All right, that bad boy's done. 6.5 acres worth. Done, done, done. Hopefully that little bit of footage I got you on the mower you'll be able to see. I don't know, it's just when you're making long runs like that as far away as those are, you can't really put it, you know, at one end of the field. And I mean, I guess I could edit every little pass I make towards the end, but definitely no easy way to do it. So anyway, appreciate y'all tuning in. If you haven't already, love for you to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell, get notifications when a new video goes up. My prayer for you is always the same, that the Lord might richly bless you and that you might see all of your blessings from Him.